Kia ora friends, this is Roshan from Sing Love Strum. Today I'm going to go over He Honore, which is a Maori song. It is also a karakia, so a prayer. It is a widely known karakia and is often used to open meetings or gatherings. So this is something that you can put into your kete of knowledge and pull out if you are ever leading or asked to open a gathering or a meeting. The strum pattern that is used is down, 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 up, and I am accenting the first and the third strum. It sounds like this on C. Alternatively, just use a simple down strum. Okay, let's keep going. Toru, fa. He honore, he kororia, mongarongo ki te whenua. Whakaro, pai e, ki ngā tangata katoa. Ake